Welcome to week 5. This week marks an important milestone, your first draft submission of your signature assignment. Over the past 4 weeks, you've studied screening protocols, member orientation, emergency planning. Now it's time to integrate these concepts into the risk management section of your facility operation manuals. What is risk management? Risk management is the systematic process of identifying, assessing, and controlling risks. In exercise science facilities, we manage risks to protect member safety, protect staff safety, protect the organization from legal liability, and maintain program quality and reputation. We use a 4-step process with this. We identify potential risk. We assess the likelihood and severity of each risk. We control risk through elimination, reduction, or transfer. And we monitor and adjust our strategies continuously. Our categories of risk include pre-participation screening risk, supervision and instructional risk, emergency response risk, environmental and facility risk, equipment-related risk, and personnel and training risks. Risk, the way we do risk control strategies, we use avoidance, which is eliminate the risk entirely. Reduction, minimize likelihood or severity of the risk. We transfer the risk by using insurance and waivers. Retention, we accept minor risk with appropriate management. Proper documentation is your best legal defense. Your draft should demonstrate written policies and procedures, screening and consent forms, incident report systems, staff training records, and equipment maintenance log. So again, you're completing your first draft for your signature assignment. So step 1 is review the feedback that I provided you and make the changes to your previous assignments. You're going to create an executive summary using AI there. I provide details on how to do that. Step 3 is integrate pre-participation screening. That's from assignment 2, so you've done that already. Step 4, integrate member orientation. That was assignment 3. Step 5, integrate emergency action plan, which you developed in assignment 4. And now we have a new one that we're going to develop, add record keeping section. So with a record keeping section, you're going to create a comprehensive documentation procedures for member records, emergency incident reports, operational records. Then step 7, you're going to create the professional document structure. In step 8, final quality check. Make sure everything looks good. So what you're going to turn in is your complete operational manual draft. And I'm not sure if the pages are exactly correct. You're going to provide a summary. Section 1 is going to be an executive summary and facilities overview. Section 2, the pre-participation screening protocols. Section 3, member orientation, education, and supervision. Section 4, emergency action plan. And Section 5, record keeping and documentation systems in your appendices with tabs and bookmarks. Submission requirements, see the format there in the download that you have. 6 tips for success. Start early. Don't wait till the last minute to compile this. It's going to take you too much time to do that. Be consistent. Use the same terminology, formatting, and style throughout your paper. Think practically. Would this actually work in a real facility? Proofread. Get rid of grammar errors, spelling errors, all those type of things. If you're not the best writer, use Grammarly to help. AI should hopefully help you with some of that too. Again, use my feedback, and if you want to have others read it, I would recommend that. Professional presentation matters. This should look like a real operations manual. Don't just compile. Integrate, refine, and improve from your previous work. And this week we have our Chapter 4, Courage and Calling Reflection. Hopefully you keep finding these assignments beneficial. If you have questions, please ask.